Today, we are installing a new wallpaper of a celebrity in the Philippines. We will have a new wall for her baby daughter. So let's find out who the celebrity is and the wallpaper design. Hi guys, and now we are in Sabine's room, and this is her bare wall. As you can see, it's 4 walls. We're doing all of them, and we're making a whole mural, and it's going to be a boho chic style of design. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So let's make this wall a printerie wall. Wall preparation for the printerie is very important. So here we're just cleaning the wall and making sure that there are no debris and it's very flat. This will make the wallpaper stick properly, and it won't have bumps and rough edges or rough surfaces, so that it will be seamless and very clean and flat. For this wallpaper mural, we have around 13 panels to cover all 4 walls. In this part of the wallpaper installation, we are now putting glue on the back of the wallpaper panels. The glue that we use is a water-based glue. It's eco-friendly and it's very safe for our installers. We are aligning the panels together to make it seem like a seamless design. For a mural, it's very difficult to create a seamless design because you have to make sure that the elements fit in together. This takes a lot of experience and learning, but our professional installers with years of experience always does it perfectly. We're finally done installing the wallpaper, and today we're with Moss Design to talk about the inspiration of Sabine's nursery. So, what's the style and the inspiration for this room?
Okay, so we wanted to make sure that we're consistent with the theme, which is kind of like nature inspired. Since the bedroom and everything else around us is pretty much more trees, nature, so we kind of like wanted to reflect that here in the space as well. The nursery is all about muted colors, so we're not very into bright pinks, the usual ones that you see. It's very, I would say, very Nordic, in a way, right? So yeah, I mean, I'm happy with how it turned out. I'm happy with how the graphics were. I think the the key always into making a space pop up, like an instant lift, would always have to have like very subtle graphics around the room. So I'm pretty happy with how it turned out.
That's really nice. And why did you choose wallpaper? Why not just have someone draw on the wall or like use sticker decals like that?
Yeah, well, we're always been a fan of like adding wallpapers in the spaces. Especially like we wanted to bring personality also to the room. So yeah, we wanted to add this kind of like pattern just to have like just to show interest in the space. Well, I think it really shows interest in the space.
Yeah.
Definitely. And the printerie, as the printerie, we really love working with you guys. It's been a pleasure, especially meeting the design director, and of course, Miss Cynthia.
Yes,
Thank you
yes.
so much. And Dale,
Dale,
the head for the interior design for this project. Thank
Yep.
you so much.
All
And we're really
right.
excited to see the whole transformation because this is not the only room.
Yep,
right?
it's not the only room.
There's more.
Yes.
Yeah, so you can check out their YouTube channel to see the full transformation.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Are you ready?
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 Are you ready?
One, two,
3.
Wow!
Wow! Look at rainbows!
And trees. There's trees, Papa.
A lot of trees.
What color is a tree?
Yeah.
You found how beautiful it is.
So actually, this wallpaper is really specially for her. We really placed it around, and I hope you guys like it.
Yes.
Love it.
Very
Yes.
intim.
Wow.
It's actually 13 panels of paper na hindi lang siya makikita.
Yes,
Wow.
sobrang ganda. Hindi namin yun napansin.
Wow.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
even our glue is eco-friendly, water-based, and also our inks are soy-based. So talagang we make sure that it's safe for you.
Thank you.
Do you like that, me? Are you happy?
Yay.
Happy!
Wow.
Yeah. So
Nice
thank you very
wallpaper.
much. So this is so we do custom wallpaper here in Metro Manila, and we're so happy to do the nursery of Bean.
Yes, thank you. Mabot kayo all the way to Subic para gawin yung wallpaper ni Bean. Yeah, medyo struggle maghanap, especially sa mga provinces ng mga wallpapers na talagang, syempre, pasok din sa taste namin. And tulad nga ng sinabi mo, it's very child-friendly.
Yes, that's right. And talagang the colors, we made it in theme with the vision of Moss Design. So we really work together with your designer.
Yes, nag-ano pa rin siya, kamonect pa rin siya sa nature.
Yes, that's right. So, thank you very much, everyone, for watching our YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe and watch out for our next wallpaper transformation. Thank you, Angelica and Gregg. Thank you, Bean.
Baby, come here.
Bye. Bye.
Say thank you.
Say thank you. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Shy. Okay.
Thanks for watching. For more information and latest news, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok pages at theprinterie.shop. And stay tuned for our next wallpaper transformation.